What's going on, G's? Kev here, back for another video. Today we've got a detail of a Mustang, we've got a wash, and then we're also shampooing the interior and the seats. Now the owner is concerned about the ceramic coating on her vehicle being damaged during the wash process, so I'm going to use some microfiber towels that are brand new and clean, just to make sure that there isn't anything that's going to scratch that ceramic coating. And we're on our way, of course, once again, to go and get some coffee, and I'm still waiting for the customer to give me a message back and let me know that she's ready for me. Should be about 12:30 or so when we head over there, but coffee. So I started by taking out the floor mats, and I really like the design of these floor mats because they have little magnets holding them in, so they don't slide around when you get in and out of the car. So first I'm going to start off with a good vacuum of all the carpets, just to remove any debris or pet hair that may be stuck in the carpet. I'm going to do the same to the seats, just to get everything ready to be cleaned properly. So you'll notice while I'm vacuuming here, I start vacuuming in little tiny circles, and that really helps to pull any of that pet hair that's stuck between those carpet fibers all of the way out. So you'll notice right here I grabbed the side of the seat and pulled it up just to be able to get under that little lip of the plastic next to the seat. Next I'm going to spray down the seat with some Mr. Clean upholstery cleaner that's been mixed with some water. I like to mix this product again because it gets pretty soapy, and you'll see in just a second when I start brushing it that it's really soapy, even diluted. Now, why is soap so bad? It's not a bad thing, it helps get things very clean, yes, but it's the #1 killer of suction in the vacuum that you use. And if you're not using a hot water extraction device, if you're just using a shop vac like I am, you want to make sure that you keep those bubbles to a minimum to keep your suction to a maximum. So I noticed a little spot right here, and I'm not really sure what it is, but I figured I would hit it with the cleaner and see if it'll come out anyways. So I sprayed a little bit of extra cleaner on it, and then I used a small detailing brush just to scrub the spot. And then you'll notice right here I'm pinching the fibers of the brush about halfway down. That gives me a tighter grip on the brush, and also the fibers are tighter together, which means that I have a little bit more scrubbing power while still being gentle enough to not damage the fibers. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the rest of the vehicle. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video of the Mustang detail. I sure did. That was such a great car. I really liked that bright orange color on it. It really pops, especially after you get a good wash on it and it's all nice and clean. Don't miss out on tomorrow's video either. We're talking about cleaning leather seats in this BMW that I'm working on. You definitely don't want to miss that. As always, make sure you guys smash that like button and press subscribe for more content just like this. See you guys next time.